So this is my Google Drive that I use to organize my school. The top three things I have are geometry, algebra 2, and AP calculus, which are the three subjects I teach. So say I wanted to see my algebra 2 curriculum. I have this year's honors, regular this year's, Robbins Resources last year's stuff. I primarily work in this one, and then it is associated by lesson plans that we have to submit every other week, semester 1 and semester 2. So semester 1 is organized by skills, finals, assessment, remediations, benchmarks. So this is like every skill that we've taught organized. Say I wanted to add a folder, I would go new. So let's just say skill 30. Now I have skill 30. From here I can choose to add a Google Doc, a Google Sheet, which is like Excel, a Google Slide, or I could go and upload like a review key or a PDF or something if I don't want to go find that, if I don't want it to be like a Google Drive. So then say I wanted to go back to my skill 30 folder, I could go skill 30, search, here's my 30, I don't have anything in there at this point, but I would just add something in there. So very thankful for Google Drive.